What should I call this? Techno phone or Infinix phone? Or should I call it itel phone? Wow, none of the above. On our previous video, we discussed about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, which is the key brother of the Redmi Note 14, which is this one I'm holding. This is the new Redmi Note 14, not the Pro. So please stick around so that you won't miss anything from this video. Yahoo guys, let's get started. First of all, let's start with the build and design. The back is made out of plastic material. We also get the 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel micro lens, all located at the back with the Redmi logo. In terms of weight and size, the Redmi Note 14 goes around 196 grams. This makes it comfortable to hold and easy to carry in your pocket. Speaking about the display, the Redmi Note 14 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which helps in preventing scratches and minor drops. Well, that is amazing. Speaking about the display, this phone comes with 6.67 inches display. Not even that, it supports 120Hz refresh rate, 1080p AMOLED display. It can also pick a brightness of 1800 nits. It also supports HDR10 Plus. With the 1800 nits, it can be easy for you to use this smartphone even under direct sunlight. For me, the display is a good one. Diving to the unboxing experience, it comes with packaging box. Opening it, the first thing I see is the SIM rejector too. Not even that, the Redmi Note 14 also provide a case in the box. It's great to have a case included to protect the device. Next, we find the device himself. So take a look at the design, even if it looks different from the previous Redmi Note 13. For me, the design is a good one, followed by the 33-watt fast charger, which you can use to charge up this device from 0 to 100%, followed by the USB Type-C cord. So take a look at it. This is all we get in the box. The Redmi Note 14 comes with 3 colors, which is the midnight black, mist purple, ocean blue, and lastly the lime green. It comes with 4 different colors, just like the previous Redmi Note 13, so it can be easy for you to pick any color of your choice. The fingerprint scanner is under the display and it responds so fast to touch whenever I want to unlock the phone. I don't have any problem with that. The Redmi 14 comes with IP54 dust and water splash resistance. For biometrics, we get the face unlock feature and the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor works fine. This also on the Note 13. For the Android operating system, Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0 on top of Android 14. Yes, Android 14 is what we see in the Redmi Note 14. And as for the processor, it comes with the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, but they are calling it the G99 Ultra. Now speaking about the camera, at the front we got the 20 megapixel selfie camera. At the back we got the 108 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel micro camera. Moving to the storage aspect, it comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. For the 128 GB internal storage, it goes around $150. It also has 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB internal storage, goes around $270K, and 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB internal storage, goes around $290K. That is amazing. Playing game with this device is a good one with the MediaTek Helio G99. Everything runs pretty good smooth. For average users, it can last more than a whole day for single charge with the 33-watt fast charger. Wow, that is a good one. Let's discuss about other things. For the battery aspect, they boosted it from 5000 mAh battery to 5500 mAh battery. For the synthetic benchmark score, is the result. For the Antutu score, this is the result. The higher the score, the more powerful the processor is. It has stereo speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom. This is how it sounds. Typical Redmi version, we do get the higher blaster. We all know what that's used for. At the top, we get the mono speaker and the other one is the headphone jack. The Redmi Note 14 uses the hybrid SIM thread. You can either choose having one SIM card and one SD card, or two SIM card without no SD card. That impressed me. So if you are looking for a mid-range smartphone for you to go for, I will recommend you to go for the Redmi Note 14. It offers good camera, good battery life, better processor. I know the processor wasn't the best, but for mid-range smartphone, it is good to go. Not even that, it also supports IP54 dust and water resistance. That means it will survive if it mistakenly fall inside water. That impressed me. Please, if you haven't liked this video, I think this is the good opportunity for you to do that, and also subscribe. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.